Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Let's see. Oh, we got some leftover chicken thighs. Let's go ahead and make some flatbreads. Alright, first thing we gotta do is get some cream cheese out and let it get nice and soft. After that, we're gonna take some of this chicken and we're gonna shred it up. The other half of the chicken, we're gonna dice up into some small cubes or small pieces. Now that we got our chicken shredded and diced up, we're gonna take this flatbread, this one right here, we're gonna flip it over, we're gonna brush some oil on the back of that because we're gonna throw it on the grill, you know what I'm saying? We got these Stonefire flatbread, you know what I'm saying? I like them, you know what I'm saying? Give them a try. Let me know down in the comments if y'all have ever tried these flatbreads before. Alright, we got that cream cheese nice and soft. So we added some Italian seasoning, right? And some fresh rosemary and gave that a mix. We're gonna spread that onto the flatbread for our base. Alright, next thing we need is some pepper jack cheese that we got right here. We got this vegetable cheese grater off Temu, you know what I'm saying? We about to give it a try. See how it works, you know what I'm talking about? So this lever right here goes back, locks it in place, you know what I'm saying? And put the cheese in there, put that on top, and get to grating. Okay, it was a little tough at the beginning, but once it got going, I think it turned out really good, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and click that link down in the description, you know what I'm talking about? Now that we got that pepper jack cheese all grated up, we're gonna head over here and see what we got that we can put on this flatbread. Something else, right? Oh, we got some caramelized onions. We're gonna use that. What's this? Oh, some goat cheese. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use some of that. We got some sauteed mushrooms. We're gonna use that. Oh, I got some peppers. Got some red onion. Yeah, buddy. All right, we got that shredded chicken down. Got those mushrooms next. You already know those caramelized onions, always a must. Just a little bit of pepper jack, you know what I'm saying? Not too much. Of course, had to hit it with the sweet peppers. We got that goat cheese. And to top it off is those other pieces of chicken. Now we can send it over to the grill. Alright, got these flatbreads on the grill. Looking beautiful. We're gonna let them sit on the grill for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Not on no direct heat. Don't have them on the flame directly right now, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna let everything get nice and hot. We're gonna let it go for about 5-7 minutes, then we're gonna rotate them. Whoo, boy. Check out that chicken flatbread. Looking delicious. Went ahead and finished it off with a little bit of this roasted raspberry chipotle sauce. You know what I'm saying? Got it from HEB. It's pretty good. You know what I'm talking about? Put some of those red onions right on top. Let's go ahead and get a bite. Flavors are outstanding. Crust is crispy. You know what I'm saying? But you already know what time it is. Like, subscribe, share. Really appreciate it. Stay tuned.